Hey there and welcome. Today, we're diving into a really powerful way of thinking called the lean solution. It's all about a big shift in how we work, how to create incredible value and build wealth, not just for your customers, but right there with them.
So let me start with a question for you. Does it ever feel like your team is working incredibly hard, just hustling, but you keep hitting roadblocks? You know what I mean? Those small, hidden problems, little delays, rework, wasted steps. We all see them, but they can feel almost impossible to get a handle on.
And let's be real here. These aren't just small annoyances. They add up. They punch holes in your budget, they frustrate your customers, and maybe worst of all, they can completely burn out your most important asset, your people.
But what if you could finally untangle all that chaos? What if there was a proven, step-by-step way to go from being complex and confusing to being clear and efficient? A way to not just put a bandage on these problems, but to build a stronger, smarter organization from the inside out. Well, that's exactly what lean management is all about. And it's not just another corporate buzzword. It's a philosophy that's totally focused on one powerful idea: relentlessly getting rid of waste. You know, anything that doesn't add value for your customer, so you can maximize what they actually care about. It's about making the whole system work better, not just tweaking the little parts.
Now, lean really stands on two pillars, and they're deceptively simple, but they are absolutely linked. The first is a genuine, deep respect for people. This means you trust your team. You empower them to call out problems. You recognize that the people doing the work are the ones who know best how to make it better. And that directly fuels the second pillar, continuous improvement. So you can't have one without the other. It's this belief that we may never be perfect, but we can always get better. Together, they create this amazing, powerful cycle of growth.
Okay, so this all sounds great, right? But how do you actually bring these ideas to life? Well, it's a journey, one that takes you from just having an insight to actually taking action. And for everyone who's ready to take that step, we've designed a 2-day deep dive to show you exactly how.
So, on day one, the whole focus is on learning to see. Seriously, we help you shift your whole perspective so you can see your business through your customers' eyes. You'll learn practical tools to pinpoint what creates value and, just as crucial, where waste is hiding in plain sight. Then on day two, we shift from seeing to doing. This is where you get your hands dirty. You'll master the tools to rebuild your processes smarter, to optimize your team's time, and ultimately to lead a lean transformation that actually sticks.
This quote really gets to the heart of what lean is all about. It's a common mistake to think lean is just about cutting costs or squeezing out more efficiency, but the real goal, the secret sauce, is creating a culture. It's not about pushing people to work harder. It's about getting all the obstacles and frustrations out of their way so they can work smarter and really contribute their best ideas. So, what does this all mean for you in the real world? When you walk out of this program, what do you actually have? Well, you'll be equipped with a whole new, powerful toolkit. Let's take a look at the specific things you'll be able to achieve.
You are going to leave with a clear roadmap. You'll be able to build a powerful lean strategy that's perfectly tailored to your organization. You'll know how to prepare your team, how to empower them, and how to turn any resistance into real engagement. You'll get practical, hands-on tools you can start using on day one to eliminate waste. And most importantly, you'll have the framework to build a lasting culture of continuous improvement, so the benefits just keep growing long after you finish the program. We designed this program specifically for the leaders of change, the people on the front lines who actually make things happen. So if you're an operations manager, an executive, a factory manager, a supervisor, or a group head, and you are ready to drive real, measurable improvements, then this experience is absolutely built for you. So we'll leave you with one final thought to chew on. Just take a moment and actually imagine it. Your operations running like clockwork, your customers being truly delighted, and your entire team feeling engaged and empowered to make things better every single day. The question on this slide is really the ultimate promise of lean. What could your team truly achieve if absolutely nothing was standing in their way?